Hello, this is Northeast Georgia Mountain Road. Today we are doing something new. We are doing a food review. We are at FastWey Mexican Street in Cumming, Georgia. And I will show you the complete menu later on in the description. So what we're doing, so today I'm trying their FastWey Mexican Street California Burrito, and Connie's going to try the FastWey Mexican Street Tacos. And when we get the food, we'll show you what we have, and then afterwards we'll let you know how it was and see if other people want to be interested in coming to this location or The dining room of this restaurant has plenty of seating inside. Including a second larger area on the other side. Large groups. As well as seating outside. I'm not doing outside today because we've had some precipitation in the area and don't want to be caught outside in the rain. So when we get our food, we will show you what we have and let you know how it was. Alright, so there's the 3 tacos plate, the different kinds of tacos. And here is the Mexican California Pastor Burrito. We'll let you know here shortly how it tastes. As you can see, we finished it off. Food was very good, it was very fresh. And it had a little bit of a spice to it, but the type of meat it usually does. This place has only been open for 2 months, they said, and they're trying to get the word out. So if you want to try a unique Mexican street pizza and taco place, come check this out. And I'll have the full description and where they're located in the description below. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.